Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is really close to my heart because just like all the other girls out there, even I am tired of guys asking me ये क्यों करते हो, वो क्यों करते हो, इसके पीछे क्या लॉजिक है, blah blah blah. भाई मुझे खुद नहीं पता मैं ये सब क्यों करती हूँ, but still all these things just happen. So without any more delay, I will tell you guys 5 super interesting unsolved mysteries about girls. Mystery number one. So this is my favorite one. Okay. If I need to go to the washroom, it's my friend's duty to accompany me. Now I don't know why this happens or who started this प्रथा in the first place. पर अगर मैंने बोला है कि मैं वॉशरूम जा रही हूँ, मेरी फ्रेंड का नेक्स्ट रिफ्लेक्स एक्शन शुड बी हाँ ठीक है मैं भी आती हूँ. मतलब देयर इज नो क्वेश्चन अबाउट इट. और मैं कुछ और सुनने के लिए ना प्रिपेयर्ड भी नहीं हूँ. इट्स लाइक यू गो आई गो आई गो यू गो एंड ऑफ डिस्कशन. You don't want to pee, it's okay, don't pee, but she has to be there for my support. और अगर she is genuinely busy और नहीं चल सकती due to any reason, तो I should be courteous enough to postpone my tour to the washroom, right? और पता है अगर तुम्हारी फ्रेंड या तुम ऐसा नहीं करते हो, एक बार प्लीज रीथिंक कि आर यू गाइज इवन फ्रेंड्स? डू यू हैव टू पुट इन सम एफर्ट्स टू मेक योर रिलेशनशिप वर्क? और अगर फिर भी नहीं हो रहा है और इफ दैट पर्सन इज नॉट रेसिप्रोकेटिंग, तो मे बी यू गाइज आरंट meant to be together. Please move on and find someone else. You deserve better, girl. Mystery number two. We are genuinely head over heels for our celebrity crushes. So when we say we love them, we actually mean that we love them. And deep down we believe कि एक दिन we will meet them for sure और फिर उन्हें realize होगा कि we are their biggest fans and बस we will have our own love story. It's like sometimes उनके लिए ज़्यादा commitment होता है rather than एक actual इंसान जो potential boyfriend बन सकता है. And trust me, मैं बोल रही हूँ, but deep down I'm thinking about Justin Bieber. And the girls who are watching this right now, even they are busy thinking about their someone special. Or according to me, this is the purest form of love. Actually, love for food is pure too. जैसे इस टॉप को देख के मुझे सिर्फ राजमा चावल की याद आ रही है. And this is pure love too. So you know one of the purest form of love. And guys who make fun of us, it's not at all funny, dude. Just because we never will love you as much as we love them doesn't mean you stop taking our love seriously. Mystery number three. I have no clue why, but we all are jealous creatures. Honestly, these things ki my girlfriend is jealous because they liked another girl's picture, yeah, I talked to a girl, ये सब is all just hyped on social media कि हर लड़की ऐसी है. But it's not correct. The truth is, we actually get jealous when it comes to our friends rather than boyfriends. मतलब if I get to know कि मेरी friend ने मुझसे पहले किसी और को बात बता दी है, I lose my shit. या फिर वो किसी और के साथ ब्रंच पे चली गई और she didn't ask for the outfit advice. That's when the real problem starts, guys. And we all get crazy. We care about this stuff much more than anything else. And it matters so much that we should be the first person or the only person who knows that particular talk. I don't know why guys don't get it, and I don't know why people don't talk about it. And they're just so occupied with jealous girlfriends rather than jealous girlfriends. Mystery number four. I have no clue who started this in the first place, but we all tell each other everything. And I guess it's more like a fact now because people have accepted कि if we both are friends, वो for sure सब discuss करती होंगी. From our vulnerabilities to vaccine कितने दिनों बाद करवानी पड़ती है, ये सब discuss करते हैं. And honestly, this is nothing. वैसे तो we guys know everything, if you know what I mean. I just can't speak it out loud because मेरे घर वाले भी ये वीडियो देखते हैं. But you get the point. So if you tell me a thing, I am definitely wasting 2 precious hours of my life discussing it with my girlfriends. और it's not some gradual process कि मैं 2 साल बाद comfortable होंगी और फिर मैं discuss करूँगी सब कुछ. I can meet my friend की बहुत दूर की friend और हम भी सब discuss कर सकते हैं. And it's weird and ironical कि how guys accept the fact कि हाँ तुम तो सब डिस्कस करती ही होगी, but they get all judgy when they get to know कि हम एक दूसरे के बारे में ये भी जानते हैं. I mean, mystery number 5. See, we all are built this way, okay? We love hyping each other up. You compliment me, I can't say thank you and just end the discussion over there. I will hype you up with a better compliment. Like, you look so pretty. Oh, come on, look at you. It has to be this way, okay? Be it in general or you hyping your girlfriends on Instagram or even random girls you meet at a party, you just make them feel like a superstar. We love complimenting, okay? And I see all these memes on Instagram ki girls are this, that, they hype each other so much. But dude, we are literally telling someone how gorgeous they are. What is so funny about that? I think it's far better than commenting nice big dear. At least we have some passion in our compliments, right? And please stop making fun of this and asking us questions कि ये क्यों करते हो वो क्यों करते हो इतना ड्रामा कहाँ से ला रहे हो. It's so irritating, you guys. Thanks so much for watching this, guys. And if you really like this video, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. More videos about mysteries loading soon. Stay tuned. Anyways, bye bye. Take care.